There isn't a direct integration between Glowroad and Shopify. However, you can still connect the two platforms using manual methods. Here's a guide. Export products from Glowroad. In your Glowroad account, export your product listings. Glowroad typically provides options to export product data in CSV format. Prepare CSV file. Once you've exported your products from Glowroad, prepare the CSV file according to Shopify's import requirements. Ensure that the CSV file includes all necessary product information, such as title, description, price, and images. Import products into Shopify. In your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the product section and choose to import products. Upload the CSV file you prepared from Glowroad and map the columns to match Shopify's product fields. Review and publish. After importing the products into Shopify, review them to ensure all information is accurate. Make any necessary adjustments and then publish the products to your Shopify store. Manage inventory and orders. Going forward, you will need to manage inventory and fulfill orders manually between Glowroad and Shopify since there isn't an automatic synchronization.